Hello, welcome to junior high. My name is Kim Lalama. I am one of the secondary counselors in Utica Community Schools. Today, I will be reviewing the 7th grade curriculum to prepare you for scheduling, which will be happening at your elementary schools sometime in February. In 7th grade, there are certain classes that are required. These classes are English, Math, Physical Science, Geography, and PE Health. There are two English classes to choose from, English 7 and Accelerated English 7. We will discuss the differences between accelerated and regular classes in greater detail later in this presentation. For math, 7th grade students have several options. They can take Math 7, Advanced Math 7, or Algebra. We use certain district criteria, such as NWEA scores and elementary math grades, along with other criteria, to determine which math class you should be placed in. All students in the 7th grade take physical science. They also take either geography or accelerated geography. All 7th grade students will have PE Health. PE Health meets for one semester, which is half the year or for 20 weeks of school. English 7, Math 7, Physical Science, and Geography are full year classes. Parents and students can read the descriptions for each class on the UCS website, www.uticak12.org, and choose Academics, click on Secondary, and click on Student Curriculum Guide. Here we have a list of all 7th grade elective classes: Band, AVID, Introduction to Art, Introduction to Drawing, Digital Literacy and Media Design, Drama, Exploratory Language, Exploratory Design and Engineering 1, Computer Science Discoveries 1, Computer Science Discoveries 2, and Vocal Music. All classes listed meet for half of the school year or one semester, except for Band and AVID. These classes meet for the full year. There are so many great classes to choose from, so it can be hard to make a selection. The good thing is that if you aren't able to fit a class into your schedule this year, you can more than likely take it in the 8th grade, so don't worry. Also, there are additional electives offered in the 8th grade. Elective classes taken in 7th grade cannot be repeated in 8th grade, except for Band, AVID, PE, and Vocal. Here are a couple things to keep in mind when scheduling. First, schedules must be approved by a parent or guardian. It's important that your parents know what you're signing up for, especially if you're signing up for an accelerated class. Plus, you're coming to a new school. Your parents need to know what classes you are taking. Second, 7th grade students will have 2 hours of electives. They will have PE Health plus 3 semester courses, or PE Health, 1 semester course, and 1 full year course, such as AVID or Band. Third, on your scheduling sheet, students will indicate what their primary or favorite classes are, and then indicate their backup elective choices. And finally, it's important to remember that the master schedule is developed based on student choice. Our goal is to always give students their top choices. Sometimes that is not possible, and we have to go to the backup choices. Sometimes there are certain classes offered at the same time, a class is full, or there is some other scheduling conflict. So please, fill out the class selection sheet with careful consideration. It is very difficult to make scheduling changes once classes have been selected and the master schedule is complete. As mentioned earlier, there are several accelerated classes for 7th grade students. They can take either accelerated English or accelerated geography. If you are considering an accelerated class, ask yourself these questions. Do you currently have a good grade in the subject you want to accelerate in? Do you complete all your classwork and homework assignments? Can you work independently on some assignments? If required, are you willing to do additional homework? If you answered yes to these questions, you would probably be a good candidate for an accelerated class. students in 7th grade will be placed in an accelerated math class based on district criteria. If you still are not sure whether or not you should take an accelerated class, please reach out to your 6th grade teacher. They would be a great person to help steer you in the right direction. They have been working with you this past year, and they know your strengths. Families should carefully consider enrollment in an accelerated class. Oftentimes, these classes require more homework and study time, and they go deeper into course content. Because the master schedule is created based on student choices, it is very difficult to move a student out of or into an accelerated class once the school year has started. Also, families will be notified of their child's math placement in the spring. Junior high counselors will be coming to your school sometime in February. They will let you know the specific date that your schedule needs to be turned in to your 6th grade teacher. I hope this scheduling overview has been helpful. Transitioning from elementary to junior high is a big step. Your elementary schools have done a fantastic job getting you ready for junior high. Now it's my job, along with your junior high teachers, to help you continue successfully on your educational journey. If you have any additional questions about scheduling, please reach out to your junior high counselor. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next year.